Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech and day number 30 of DAX functions. We have already discussed 29 different days with different DAX functions, and we have started with what are the top 8 most DAX functions used in Power BI and its subset of DAX functions whichever belongs to the each and every category. So we have discussed 5 complete category of DAX functions. We are dealing with the 6th category, which is statistical DAX functions, very most important DAX function which is used in field of analytics and data science. So we have already discussed average A DAX function, chi-square dot inverse DAX function. So today in this video we are going to discuss the 4th one, which is distinct count of DAX functions. How this distinct count function used in Power BI, what is the use of distinct count, and moreover what is the difference between using distinct count in DAX and existing DAX, existing function of distinct count in Power BI. If you're watching our channel for the first time, not to worry, we have provided the playlist link in the description box. You can watch by clicking on that one. And if you want any theoretical explanation, we have provided the theoretical explanation through our blog page. You can go ahead and read it out as well. We are requesting you to provide your suggestion or feedback to improvise our video if you are feeling we are missing some topics or important piece of information in our videos. Let's start with the today's session. So as usual, I'm going to create a new measure. I'm going to name the measure as DS count, which is in like normal abbreviation of distinct count. Distinct count. So it says counts the number of values in the column, distinct values in the column. So why this distinct count is used is because if you have any blank columns or any multiple values in that particular column, but you need only that particular value. Let's say if in a column you have multiple number of cities iterated, multiple times repeated, you want to get only how many times it is used. So that's the reason we are using the distinct count. So as I mentioned, so I'm going to take the city and close the bracket, hit enter. So I'm putting it in our table. You can see the distinct count of city, which is as 591, 197, 217. Let's say what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the city over here and I'm going to take the distinct count. So ideally you can see for this central region we have, so you can see both the distinct count DAX function and already existing distinct count function in Power BI is giving the same value. But what is the difference between these two is you can use this distinct count DAX function to get the proper average of that value. If you're calculating any sales or number of people in that particular city or anything, in that case if you are using distinct count in existing function, you will not get a proper answer or the correct data. But if you are going with the proper DAX function, you will get the answer without any mistake. So that's how our distinct count DAX function works in statistical functions. Hope you have understood this video. If you are having any queries, please post your queries in our comment box. We'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. We'll meet in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.